Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record a refund check from a vendor in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever been unsure how to properly handle vendor refunds, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process so your records stay accurate and well organized. Let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the New button. From there, select Vendor Credit. This step allows you to record the refund as a credit from your vendor. Enter the vendor's name, choose the correct date, and make sure you use the same category or expense account that was used in the original transaction. Then enter the refund amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Next, we need to record the actual money you received. Click on the New button again, and this time choose Bank Deposit. In the Received From field, select the same vendor. Then, choose Accounts Payable as the account to properly link the transaction. Enter the refund amount and add a memo if needed for clarity. After that, click Save and New. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a refund check from a vendor. Following this process ensures that your accounts payable stays accurate and your records remain clean and easy to reconcile. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.